Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Nissan Pathfinder sun visor. First, gather your tools, including a flathead and Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure you have the correct replacement visor for your specific model. Working in a well-lit area will make the process much easier and help you see all the small parts clearly. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's remove the old sun visor. Begin by carefully prying off the small plastic cover at the base of the visor using your flathead screwdriver. Once exposed, unscrew the two Phillips head screws that secure the visor to the ceiling. If your visor has a vanity light, gently disconnect the electrical connector before fully removing the old unit. Take your time with this step.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. Quick recommendation, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making your life easier. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
With the old visor removed, it's time to install the new one. If your new visor has a vanity light, first connect the electrical wiring. Then, carefully align the new visor with the screw holes in the ceiling. Insert and tighten the two Phillips head screws to secure it firmly in place. Ensure it feels stable and doesn't wobble. You're almost done with the replacement. After installing the new visor, perform a few final checks. Move the sun visor through its full range of motion to ensure it operates smoothly and feels secure. If your visor has a vanity light, confirm it turns on and off properly. Finally, snap the plastic cover back over the screw base until it clicks into place. Great job, your new sun visor is now installed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.